FitLabPGH believes movement is a lifestyle, not just an activity. Our theme for this month is mindful and meaningful movement. And one of the things we wanted to talk about today is be mindful of why you pick your shoes. You should pick your shoes because they fit well and they fit your purpose, not because you like or dislike the color. So I've been running in Topo Terraventure 2, and these shoes are pretty much shot. They're starting to break down, so I picked up another pair. The color is not the first choice, but they have the same function as these, except a fresh pair. So I was mindful that I was picking the shoes because they fit my foot well, and I was able to run and hike in them without becoming injured, not because I thought, oh wow, it's spring and I want a pair of bright yellow shoes. So when you go and pick your shoes, whether you know what you're looking for or you use a professional, physical therapist, local running shop, make sure you pick shoes because they fit your foot and they fit the function, and not because you think they look cute or you like the color. Another movement tip, lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH.